Hey guys, welcome. Brian again from Abilitude, and I'm going to be talking to you about one of the topics that will be found on our advanced Excel workshop, and it's the issue of pivot tables. So let me call this part A because I'm going to come back and do a deeper version of this in the next one. So if you can turn your attention with me to the Excel spreadsheet that is on your screen, and I will start off by highlighting all of the data that I want us to talk about. So pivot tables are essentially different from drop-down menus. Pivot tables are used to better analyze data. So in this case where you've got data, two different types of sports, golf and tennis, two different quarters, third and the fourth quarter, and the related sales data, we want to actually look at how each sport did in each quarter and what the total distribution of sales was. One of the best ways to do this is to use a pivot table. So the first thing that we would do is we would go to the insert menu on our menu bar, and I want to show you how we could simply use the recommended pivot tables. This will give you all the options that you have, and so what you're going to see there on the screen is you are going to see, for example, the things that the pivot tables that are recommended by Excel. So first of all, Excel says we'll give you a pivot table with the sum of the sales by sport and by quarter. That's fine. It covers all of the areas that you're looking at. Or it says, well, I can give you the sum of the sales by quarter. And if you click on that, it just shows you that for each quarter it will tell you what the total sales are, and maybe that's not enough in terms of the information that you're looking for, or simply the sum of the sales by the sport with no information about the quarter. So let's go for the first one, which is the sum of the sales by sport and by quarter. To select that, we're just going to click on OK, and what happens is that Excel voila is going to open a new sheet in your worksheet, and it will actually put the pivot table there. Nothing happens to your original sheet that you're working with, and I can show you that. There it is. That information is still there, it's highlighted. But let's go back to our pivot table, and in our pivot table now we can actually see that we've got the sum of sales by sport and also the sum of sales by the quarter. So we've analyzed our information. I tend to like to put little grids there, so I go to home and just put boxes around it so that I can see it better. What then happens now is that if you, for instance, just want to see only golf, you can come drop down like we did last time and then remove tennis from the analysis. You deselect the tennis, and there you are. You now can only see golf, and that's fine. Or if you want to go back again and show all of the data, you select tennis again and you have golf and tennis. Or if you want to remove a specific quarter, you just want to see quarter 3, we deselect quarter 4, and there we are. We've only got quarter 3 sales, and we've analyzed them appropriately. Well, my 3 minutes is up. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for staying with me. Now do stay with me for an advanced discussion about this topic, and definitely I would love to see you at our workshop, our advanced Excel workshop that's going to be happening at the end of the month. If you want to learn some more information about that, give me your name, give me your email, give me your WhatsApp number, and I'll send you details right away. Thank you very much. Keep going till you get to the top, and when you get to the top, keep going, don't stop.